Cheap electricity isn't just about saving a few bucks on your monthly utility bill at home. It's much bigger than that. It's the invisible force that shapes the strength and competitiveness of entire nations. It's the backbone of a nation's industrial might. Really, it's what keeps the wheels of modern manufacturing turning day in and day out. Without affordable power, factories can't operate efficiently, and industries can't thrive. Think about it. Just about everything we use every day, cars, computers, smartphones, even the humble aluminum can, depends on electricity to get made. From the first spark that powers up a conveyor belt to the final product rolling off the line, energy is at the heart of it all. Whether it's the intricate process of making semiconductors, assembling electric vehicles, forging steel, or producing chemicals, factories need massive amounts of power to keep running. These aren't small operations, they're energy-hungry giants that never sleep. But here's the catch. When electricity prices spike, profit margins shrink, and the entire business model can be thrown into jeopardy. High energy costs can mean the difference between a thriving factory and one that's struggling to survive. Some factories are forced to shut down, while others pack up and move to places where power is cheaper. This isn't just a local problem, it's a global race to secure affordable energy, and the stakes are high for workers, communities, and economies. It's a simple equation: cheap electricity equals competitive exports. When manufacturers can keep their costs low, they can sell their goods around the world and bring prosperity back home. If you want strong industries, you need strong, affordable energy. It's the foundation for everything from job creation to technological innovation. Now, renewables like solar and wind are absolutely vital for a cleaner future. They're making huge strides in reducing emissions and diversifying our energy mix. But let's be real, they have their limits. Solar and wind are intermittent by nature, and that means they can't always deliver power exactly when it's needed most. The sun doesn't shine at night, and the wind isn't always blowing when you need it most. Factories can't afford to gamble on the weather or wait for the next sunny day. When the power supply is unpredictable, production lines grind to a halt, workers are left idle, and businesses lose money. Reliability isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why factories need steady, reliable, low-cost, and carbon-free electricity. 24/7, 365 days a year. No exceptions. And that's exactly where nuclear comes in. Nuclear power plants don't depend on the weather. They deliver a constant stream of energy no matter what's happening outside. Nuclear energy delivers massive amounts of power, rain or shine, day or night. It's the workhorse of the energy world, quietly fueling industry and progress. It's one of the most reliable and affordable sources of clean energy out there, with virtually zero carbon emissions. That means cleaner air, a healthier planet, and a stronger economy. And here's the kicker. Today's nuclear reactors are safer, more efficient, and more scalable than ever before. Decades of innovation have made nuclear power a cornerstone of modern energy systems. Engineers and scientists are constantly pushing the technology forward, developing new reactor designs, improving safety protocols, and finding ways to make nuclear even more cost-effective. They're making sure it meets the world's growing energy demands, without the emissions. That's why countries around the globe are taking a fresh look at nuclear. They see it as a key part of the solution to both climate change and economic growth. The US, France, China, India, even Japan, they're all investing big in next-generation reactors. These nations understand that energy security and industrial strength go hand in hand. They get it. If you want your industries to stay on top, your energy has to be top-notch too. The future of manufacturing depends on having a stable, affordable, and clean power supply. Cheap electricity doesn't just power machines, it powers whole economies. It creates jobs, drives innovation, and keeps nations competitive on the world stage. So here's the bottom line. If we want affordable goods, strong industries, and a cleaner planet, we need to invest in the right kind of energy. There are no cheap goods without cheap electricity. Every product on the shelf, every job in the factory, and every innovation in industry depends on it. Nuclear energy is, and will be, the engine that keeps manufacturing strong, economies growing, and our future bright.